reading the QuickBooks Sync Log in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you where to see every transaction sent to QuickBooks, how to read a failed row, and how to retry a sync once it's fixed. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Accounting, QuickBooks Sync from your dashboard. If a customer says an invoice never showed up in QuickBooks, this is where you find out why. Your QuickBooks profile is connected up top. Along this row of tabs, you'll find the sync log. Every transaction I've tried to send to QuickBooks. Open the sync log and every transaction is listed newest first, each with a status, synced, pending, or failed. Search by invoice number or customer name to find the one in question. If a row is red and says failed, click it to expand and you'll see the exact error QuickBooks sent back, usually a missing customer record or a closed accounting period. Fix that in QuickBooks itself, then come back here. Once the cause is fixed, tap Retry Sync on that row and it flips to synced when it goes through. If you're not sure what an error means, copy the text and send it to support. Don't guess at it.